That song was brought to you by
Enervon Z+. All new, best ever Enervon. Enervon Z+.
MX3. Dito ako, Billy. Champion detergent. Para less time sa labada, more time sa pamilya.
Alaksan FR. Pag totoo ang relief, totoo ang relax. Alaksan FR.
And
80 years ng alaga. Alagang Unilab yan.
Gadget lang. Oras sa Love Radio. Forte!
This time check is brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. Maker of world-class quality Pride detergent.
Skelan. Enjoy ang buhay pag nag-buy sa Aray with Skelan. Lamang sa bisa para sa Aray, hiyang pa sa heart at bulsa.
Champion detergent. Para less time sa labada, more time sa pamilya.
And Ladies' Choice Chicken Spread. Meaty, busog, sarap ang breakfast. And baon pag may Ladies' Choice Chicken Spread.
Love Radio. Alam mo ba, namutang ng butido si Sharon?
Ano na naman ang pinagkukumpul-kumpulan nyo dyan?
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Basic!
Basketball has always been a big part of my life. To be great, to be good at everything. When you're passionate about something, you really don't like to lose. It's game day with Bet88 Sports.
Bet88.ph.
Gaming for 21 years old and above only. Game responsibly. Keep it fun.
NBA star Kyle Kuzma trusts Bet88. Level up your game win with Bet88 Sports. Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Base.
Ang galing-galing mo. Smart dishwashing base ko. Pritong ulam na masebo. Malo, kaldero. Ang galing for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal-galing ang sebo at bacteria.
Bahid para walang bahid. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart dishwashing paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS. Goodbye to me. Hello, right for blue. Sa labasan yan. Right for blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dubit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to me, bansa. Hello, right for blue. Sa labasan yan.
Tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
Pag may barya, mag-McSaver Snack and Match na sa McDo.
Ching, ching, snack a ching. Ching, ching, snack a ching sa McDo. 59 lang may snack ka na. At 25 mamagsuot ka pa. Yeah! Ching, ching, snack a ching.
Enjoy McShaker fries, crispy chicken sandwich, and cheesy burger McDo for just 59 pesos each.
Ching, ching, snack a ching sa McDo.
McSaver Snack and Match. Enjoy it only at McDonald's. Available from January 20 to April 30, 2025 only. Per DTI Fair Trade Permit number FTEB 211559 series of 2025.
Makikanta sa next song natin. Hatid ng Champion Detergent. Sa Champion with Quick Wash Technology. Less time sa labada. #mamadaming time na sa pamilya.
Mamadaming time sa lahat ng gusto nyo. Mamadaming time. Champion Detergent ang gamit ko. Champion na! Playtime with bunso kasi may champion na. Present lagi sa school pag champion sa laba. Gumimik with ate dahil may champion na. Lambingan with happy. Champion ako dyan. Kung gustong mag-shopping, dapat mag-champion ka. Mag-movie marathon, mabilis lang maglaba. Kung gusto nyo mag-swimming, tara mag-champion na. Lahat ng gusto nyo, mamadaming time. Tanggal mancha sa damit ni tatay, t-shirt ni kuya, mabango na rin. May quick wash technology ang champion. Family bonding na priority ko. Salamat sa champion. Champion na! Mamadaming time sa lahat ng gusto nyo. Mamadaming time. Champion Detergent ang gamit ko. Champion na!
Extra strong,
Leon Extra Strong Beer. Bangis ng dating, bangis ng sarap, bangis ng kagat, at 7% ABV. This is Gerald Anderson for Leon Extra Strong Beer. Tikman ang bangis ng Leon. Bangis ng presyo. 47 pesos SRP for 500 ml at 95 pesos SRP for 1 liter. Drink responsibly.
Leon Extra Strong Beer. Tikman ang bangis ng Leon.
Chigi Manikas po, I live by truth and integrity. Tiwala ako sa MX3 capsule dahil ito ay may clinical trial published in the Journal of Aging Research and Clinical Practice. Negatibo sa E. coli at Salmonella bacteria, may physical at chemical analysis mula sa ISO at GMP certified na planta. Tiwala ko na ang MX3 capsule ay tunay natural at original.
Paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3, dito ako believe.
Ay, may solusyon sa mataas na presyo. Ay, may solusyon sa kawalang trabaho. Senator Amy Marcos po, ay may solusyon.
Ay, pa rin sa Senado, number 39 sa Toyota. This phone advertisement is paid for and by Maria Imelda R. Marcos, 204 Mariano Marcos Street, San Juan, Metro Manila.
Nawawala ang stress ko ba? Refreshing breaks, halika na. I can't wait to be with you. San Miguel flavored beer na to. Apple lemon lychee, refreshing deep sweet ang gusto ko. Apple lemon lychee, San Miguel flavored beer na to.
Enjoy the refreshing sweet flavors of San Miguel flavored beer, apple, lemon, and lychee with just the right beer buzz.
San Miguel flavored beer na to.
Like refreshingly sweet with San Miguel flavored beer.
Drink responsibly. Bili na ng San Miguel flavored beer. Saktong pa-sweet lang with just the right beer buzz. Available in apple, lemon, and lychee. Drink responsibly.
Bili na ng Magnolia Healthy at fruit drinks sa paborito mong tindahan.
Break time means refresh at all time for me. Magnolia Healthy and fruit drink refresh. Get up, fits me to a T. Sabayan niyo akong tikman. From mango tropical rush to grapes juicy surprise. Strawberry sweet, lemon stick, apples crisp, bright fruity flavor for all. Magnolia Healthy and fruit drink. Daranat magpa-refresh at all. Magnolia, feeling good set up.
Long night.
Kailangan pang magsinay sa pagdating ng bagong araw. Pwede namang mag-drive na muna kahit man sandali magpahinga.
Magpahinga na muna and perk up at Dunkin', pasalubong ng bayan.
Dunkin', pasalubong ng bayan.
Husay malasakit, kaya alay sa alaga. Alagang Unilab. Husay malasakit, kaya alay sa alaga. Alagang Unilab yan.
For 80 years, ito ang alagang Unilab para sa'yo.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Ang tunog ng immunity na hirap lumaban sa sipon.
Matagal gumaling sa sipon symptoms. Matagal gumaling sa sipon symptoms.
Versus immunity na nag-Neosep C Plus Forte, now with zinc.
Pinalakas laban sa sipon virus, pinalakas laban sa sipon virus, pinalakas laban sa sipon virus, pinalakas.
Sa Neosep Z Plus Forte with zinc, pinalakas ang immunity versus previous formulation para bilis galing sa sipon symptoms by 2 to 3 days with proper diet and exercise. Kaya balik saya sa mga gusto mong gawin.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Phenylephrine HCl plus chlorpheniramine maleate plus paracetamol plus zinc is the generic name of Neosep Z Plus Forte. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Boundary baka mo? Basic! Nagbabalik ang promo para sa imo manong driver!
Wow, ang sarap!
Sang biyahe man yan, mapataxi, Grab, UB Express, bus, o jeepney, pasok ka dito, baby! Love knows no boundary! Sagot na ng Love Radio! Magpalista lang at magpadikit ng Love Radio sticker dito sa aming himpilan. O di kaya, abangan ng Love Radio team na iikot saan mang sulok. Love knows no boundaries! Love knows no boundaries! Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan?
Basic!
Palista na!
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Basic!
Love